Are we cooked? Turbo family, are we cooked? Are we finished? Is it done? Guys, the price of Turbo has been very low. Are we finished? Because a lot of people feel like, Turbo has finished. I don't think that's the case. I'm going to be taking a deep dive into Turbo. I just think a lot of interest overall in crypto has left. But if you are the few people who are still watching this video, who are still bullish, who are still buying into meme coins, who are still holding your bags and showing up every single day, you are the few percentage of people who are actually going to make it in this crypto space. Trust me, guys, patience and persistence goes a long way. If you guys are new to the channel, though, my name is Ro. Turbo is one of my earliest and biggest conviction plays, and I love this project, which is why I literally talk about it every other day. So if you guys are new around here and you appreciate this type of content, subscribe. We're almost at 20K, and I'm telling you guys, at 20,000 subs, we are giving away $2,000. Subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video, and like it, guys, so YouTube pushes it out to the algorithm a little bit more. With that being said, though, let's get right into today's video. Now, we are taking a look at the market right now. In the last week, Turbo is down down 6.68%, and in the last 24 hours had a little bit of a rally, up 5%. Even though being up 5% only brings us to $156 million market cap, volume has been shot through the roof. I remember the days when Turbo volume used to literally never drop below 100 million, guys. Turbo used to be that meme coin. Turbo used to be that blue chip meme coin, mid cap. But now, guys, we're at $157 million. It's a little bit concerning. Do I think we're cooked? Well, we will get into that, guys. However, don't jump to conclusions here. I'm as bullish as anyone ever is on Turbo. I just think that overall, guys, if we take a look at crypto right now, we're at fearful levels, right? People have lost interest. People have left the markets. And this is exactly what we want, because I'm telling you guys, the people who are buying right now, when all this retail investor hype comes back into the market, because I personally do not believe that the bull market has peaked yet. I believe that we are going to peak, later in Q4, maybe end of November, maybe end of December, or we might push into Q1 of 2026. If that is the case, guys, the bull market obviously is still not done yet. And these meme coins, given the opportunity, especially when Ethereum runs $5,000, $6,000, more money is going to flow into these projects. And obviously, if Ethereum is running, ERC20 based meme coins are going to run as well. So in my personal opinion, when it comes to Turbo, do I think we are cooked? No, but I am somebody who, when I first started talking about Turbo, I said what my price predictions were. People during those days were saying they see a 20, 30, 40 cent, 50 cent Turbo happening, and I had to say to them, that's not the case. And I got a lot of backlash for it, right? And I still do believe, guys, that Turbo could surpass $1 billion market cap. But again, those 20, 30 cent, 40 cent price predictions are just unattainable, in my opinion. Now, you guys can hate me if you want, but I'm just a realistic person. And maybe my price predictions for Turbo are conservative, but hey, trust me, I'd rather be open and tell you guys a more conservative price and have you guys make more money if that's not the case, than show you guys a dream and you don't make money at all. Now, obviously, if the best thing that you could do right now is, because we don't know what the bottom is, either dollar cost average or just sit on the sideline and wait for the market to recover. I know right now, guys, if you are anything like me, you keep opening up your wallet and you're like, damn, I'm down this much. Damn, I'm down this much, which is why I want to emphasize the importance of, first of all, this is something that I teach in the private Discord, is having a hedge against your portfolio, okay? That hedge should only be a crypto that's in the top 10. I would even go as far to say I really and truly only get hedges that are either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those are my only two hedges, and I'm well in the, you guys should be well in the 5-6 figure ranges for those hedges, because despite your meme coins and how they fluctuate, your hedges against your portfolio are going to support that. Because if you are buying Ethereum at super low prices, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, it's still going to sustain your portfolio, okay? And it kind of offsets the difference of these fluctuations for Turbo. That's kind of how I look at it. Regardless of how much of a trench investor you are, trench meme coin trader you are, guys, always have a hedge against your portfolio. The second thing I want to say is your entry and your exits into these markets matter. They 100% matter. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, because if you don't have a good entry and a good exit into these markets, you could be holding the best play ever. You could have gone into Bitcoin at $126,000 and you wouldn't have made money. You would hate Bitcoin because it's at 110K right now. But if you bought Bitcoin at 20K, 25K, 30K, even 60K, you would absolutely love it. Same goes for Ethereum. If you were buying ETH at 4,500, even though I think it's going to go a lot higher, you hate Ethereum right now. It's sitting at 3,900. If you bought Ethereum though at 2,500 or 2,000, you wouldn't mind. You'd be like, you're still up a lot of money. And that is the same way with these meme coins. You want to buy when no one else wants to. Buy the fear, sell the greed. I can't emphasize that enough. And obviously right now, it looks like we are heading towards that lower support area. I really don't want to get this low. I really do hope that we don't get that low. But worst case scenario, guys, this could happen. It is a possibility. You can see buy orders are coming in, and that is good. That means people are accumulating. Smart money is always going to accumulate the lows, guys. They want you guys to sell. Crypto is a zero-sum game, which means that one person is losing, another person is winning. So keep that in mind as you navigate these markets. Now, Turbo is not sleeping, though. They're not stopping. Just because the markets aren't on their side, just because liquidity has left the markets doesn't mean that they are stopping and that they are not building anymore, because they are. You can see here Katana Inu X Turbo gameplay live. They've come out with some updates, which I think is super cool. The fact that these guys are actually trying to become a brand in the crypto space, a brand that transcends crypto, is something that I would always support and back, okay? Not many meme coins could afford to do this. Not many meme coins are driven enough to do this. Not many meme coins take the initiative to do something like this. So because of that, I want to give Turbo its flowers for this, because guys, honestly, this is becoming a real brand, right? That's what I love to see here. Fun fact, this is one thing to know, guys. A lot of money is not in the crypto space. You guys need to understand that just a couple weeks ago, gold wiped off, I think, $3-4 trillion off of its market cap. That's how much was wiped off the gold market cap. And literally, there's not even that much right now in the entire crypto market cap. Okay, gold hit a new all-time high of like 30 trillion, and it went down to 26 trillion. It literally wiped out more money than there is in the crypto markets. Okay, and less than 7% of the global population right now is invested in crypto. The real money is made by buying OG memes with a cult no one's talking about yet, and having the patience to wait for everyone to capitulate. History always repeats itself slowly, then all at once. October ended in the red. October was terrible, guys. It was quite this, I don't even know what kind of storm it was. Bitcoin down 3.69. It's the worst October since 2018. But November is finally here. Historically, November's been Bitcoin's strongest month, averaging 42.5% gains. For context, a 42% move from here would put Bitcoin around 160K. With sentiment so low, I wouldn't be surprised if we had a green November. What do you think? I agree with the general statement. The fact that sentiment is low, which obviously is going to help the price go up, because the lower sentiment is, guys, that means the markets are ready to reverse. The higher the sentiment is, that means the markets are ready to go the other way. You always counter trade. The psychological index, the fear and greed index, is your best friend to help you make gains in the cycle. Obviously, fellas, I am not a financial advisor. Please understand that, and please keep that in mind. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, family. Have a beautiful day. And yeah, just so you guys know, I am traveling. This video is pre-recorded. And yeah, I'll see you in the next ones. Take care. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Peace out, guys.